Hello my people, welcome to Glatory. Today's video I will show you how this oil press machine works on sunflower seed. You can see this is raw sunflower seed. This is about 5 kg raw flower seed. So I'll be putting it on this oil press machine. This machine is automatic and it has temperature control. So you don't need to roast it. Everything has to be raw and the oil will be pressed out. Just watch and see how it goes. As you're watching, think about it. Does this machine worth having at home? And is the oil that you're getting from here, can you compare it to the market? Like when they say 100% sunflower, can you tell the difference if actually is that 100%? Or something added on it? So remember, we are pressing out sunflower seed, raw one, 100% natural. Okay, let's see how the oil will come out. You can see the chaff is so dry, there's no residue. So you can see the chaff coming out, the oil is being pressed and the thing is dripping already under. So if you have opportunity to have this machine, tell me if you would like to buy it to be using at home. Tell me what you might be thinking about this machine. Do you think it's very good to keep at home? Or would you rather to rely on the store-bought oil? Tell me what is in your mind about this machine. You can see it's bringing out a lot of chaff from the sunflower seed. So when you compare how many percent of the oil is being pressed, for me, I would say it's like 85 to 90 because the chaff is very dry and there is no oil when you crush it that comes out. So that means it's pressing it very well. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. I really appreciate it. Now I'll be pouring out the first batch of the oil. You can see the oil tank is already full. So you can see what we got. Tell me what you think. Given the color of the oil, tell me your observation. I would like to know what you observe from this. Okay. Do you think it works having at home? Do you think? So I just want to know your thought on this machine. You can see the oil. Okay. We'll continue. Remember, the sunflower seed is 5 kg. So let's see how much oil we will get from this. So if today is your first time seeing my video, remember to subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share. And please follow my page on Facebook at Glatory Flavors. And if you have been watching my video without subscribing or liking my video, I wonder what you're waiting for. It will not cost you anything. That's the only way you can support me on this journey. Okay? Like my video, comment, and please share. Thank you. So you can see I'm also offloading another tank again. The oil gets full all the time, so you have to keep pouring out and putting it back again to drain. So you can see how much oil I'm getting from this. It's amazing. So let me know your thought about this machine. Let me know what is in your mind. Do you think it worth having at home? So will you be giving it a try by getting it? And do you think the color of the sunflower, what are you thinking about? I just want you to give me your thoughts over this. The oil color, how much oil you got from 5 kg of sunflower seed. So this machine is actually very good and it's easy to operate, just as I said before. So you can see all done now. So off the machine and then take out the oil. See how much we got. So this is the chaff from the sunflower seed oil. See the chaff? It's quite a lot. You can use it if you have any chicken or animal to feed. This is very good for making their feed. Very good. So see how much oil we got from this. Amazing. So tell me, what is your thought about the color of this sunflower seed oil? Remember, this is 100%. Okay, 100% sunflower seed oil. Let's see how much oil we got from this 5 kg sunflower seed. Wow. So this is 3 liters of sunflower seed. So each bottle is 1.5 liters. So you can see it's amazing. Do you think you can try it? Do you think the machine worth having at home? Let me know your thought. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Thank you. Bye.